The Tottenham Hotspur Stadium has been home for just 6 months, and it's been a very eventful 6 months for Harry Kane and Spurs. It is a setting fit for European champions. Tonight's billing wouldn't look out of place in the latter stages of this competition. Tolisso, was he caught there by Ali? He's found Sissoko, and Son's in again, and this time he scores!
Tolisso's going to go crazy here, Clive. He thought that he was clipped as he tried to play the ball forward. Possession regained by Spurs. Son in again behind that Bayern defence. This time he makes no mistake. Neuer gets fingers but can't keep it out.
Got more than fingers, I think. He got quite a big hand on the ball, the Bayern Munich captain, but Son on his right side struck that with a little bit more conviction, and the angle shot defeated Manuel Neuer. Kimmich looking to free Coman, and Rose has been caught out, and here's Kingsley Coman, and now Robert Lewandowski trying to help it in towards Coutinho, away by Vertonghen. Still Kimmich though, 1-1. Across Lloris, who reached to his right, couldn't get a hand to it. Joshua Kimmich has equalised, 15 minutes gone. And this game is just full of life, and it looks to be full of goals. That's clever from Lewandowski, past Vertonghen, headed away by Aurier. As far as Tolisso, challenge there was a little clumsy from Aurier. Might still come for Lewandowski! That's what he's been doing all season. He is such a marksman. Something out of nothing. A bit of untidy play, and then the sweetest, cleanest strike of the ball you could hope to see from a number 9 anywhere in the world. Robert Lewandowski. Here's Gnabry, and that's 3-1. Beautifully tucked away by Serge Gnabry. Ruthless finishing, ran with purpose and finished with aplomb. A former Arsenal player scores Bayern Munich's third, and it's bad news for Mauricio Pochettino and Tottenham Hotspur.
Well, if Lewandowski's goal was a fine strike, this is a brilliant run and finish from Gnabry.
Oh, Tolisso has robbed Winks, and here's another chance for Gnabry, and that's another goal for Gnabry. He scored twice in no time at all. And Tottenham are 4-1 down. Mistake by Harry Winks. Duly punished. Gnabry has scored twice in 3 minutes, and Bayern Munich have won the night, surely. And Dombele. Neuer, not the most convincing of punches. There was a high foot there. And a penalty.
He certainly kicks the bottom of Danny Rose's boot, and at that point he is in the 18-yard box.
Ooh, Neuer went the right way, may just have got a hand on it, but Harry Kane found enough power, and it's 4-2.
And it had to be a good strike. The accuracy was there, the power was there from Harry Kane. Alcantara's been really effective since coming in.
And some pass from Thiago, and seized upon by Gnabry, who's on a hat-trick and has a hat-trick. 5 for Bayern, 3 for Serge Gnabry. Wonderful pass from Thiago Alcantara, and Serge Gnabry seized upon it and has really enjoyed his return to North London.
Wonderful clinicism in the way that they've scored their goals.
Perisic to Coutinho, and now Lewandowski, 6! So easy. Lewandowski's finish is expert as always, but the way the chance was created was far too simple. No resistance from Tottenham Hotspur. They've conceded 6 now. This could get worse yet. Here's Gnabry. Scored again. Extraordinary. 7 goals for Bayern Munich. Gnabry's 4th of the night. It's humiliation now for Tottenham Hotspur.
Oh, it really is. They've completely crumbled. They've disappeared, Tottenham, defensively.
And these defeats hurt long beyond the night itself.
Sometimes it's irreparable, Clive, it really is.
Expressions of chairman and supporters shared. It's finished. Tottenham Hotspur 2, Bayern Munich 7.